Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at a video I just had to do because I was looking at the bloom on my thistle plant. We're still like at the learning curve on this little puppy. Basically, we're going through the COVID stuff. And while the COVID's going on, I'm still trying to figure out some of the plants, and one of them is the thistle plant, is the actual sun or shade requirements on this little puppy. So for now, I was just anxious since I was waiting for it, and my pal Ruth gave me this plant a while back, and we're just checking it out to see what the bloom looks like. And I first saw it about a month or so ago, but it was on just a little tiny stub of whiteness up there. You barely could see it, the white with the darker color there. And I just noticed this. Let me take a picture of this before the bloom finalizes. You know, it's Florida. The weather sucks. It's winter one day, and then it's almost winter the next day, and then it gets warm, and it's just in between. The winter season down here is just a little weird. Well, anyway, just getting back to it. I'm just curious. I see the little puffs on that, and not knowing if there's any seeds that are going to come out of this little puppy, but we'll just wait and see. And hopefully they'll just drop this to just below the plant, the thistle plant, so we'll get that. I'm just looking at the structure of the thistle plant, the base of the plant, or the trunk, for lack of a better term, and the leaves. A few of my leaves, the new ones are mostly green at the moment, a hint of yellow in them, so I'm not sure about where the possibility of where this is going to sit on a permanent basis in the Dougherty garden. But for now, I just wanted to capture the moment of these blooms, and we'll just follow up with everybody to see if we get seeds out of this little puppy. The thistle plant, not the puppy. Sorry, Marty. And why it's turning yellow. We had extreme temperature changes over the last month or so with all these cold spells going through. So I'm not sure if it's the cold, it's the location, or whatever have you. Going to do a little more research on it, but in the meantime, I just wanted to show you my thistle plant and these pretty little blooms on it. Looks like they blow up, and I imagine they're going to open up and probably pop a seed out. But until that point in time, we'll just say, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions on the thistle plants or any hint for Marty, I'm all ears. Thank you. Bye-bye.